since I was 18.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
Are they planning a trip?
Yes, they are thinking about going to the mountains.
Have you tried the new recipe?
Yes, and it turned out delicious.
How long has he been exercising?
He's been exercising for over an hour.
Does she know how to swim?
Yes, she learned when she was a child.
Is it getting cold outside?
Yes, you might need a jacket.
Have you read that book?
Yes, I finished it last week.
How long have they been traveling?
They've been on the road for 2 weeks.
Do you listen to music while studying?
Yes, it helps me focus.
Are they building a new house?
Yes, construction started last month.